Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So as I mentioned earlier, I'll be uploading some more dialogues so that people can practice more for the exam. So here I am back again with dialogue number 69 and it is about social support, and this particular video will only contain the segments and not the translation of it. I will give you a few days to practice it and then come up with your own translations. And after a few days, I'll be uploading the translations too, so that you can match your answers with those and find out whether there is any scope of correction or you did good enough. So let's begin with this dialogue. This is a dialogue between a new migrant and a Centrelink officer about applying for social support. The dialogue begins now. Good afternoon, Mr. Shankar. Please come in. I understand that you have come here to inquire about government support. Please tell me about your situation. नमस्ते, मुझे ऑस्ट्रेलिया की सामाजिक सुरक्षा के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं पता। मेरे पड़ोसी ने मुझे बताया कि मुझे यहाँ पर कुछ मदद मिल सकती है। That's correct. In Australia, the government provides support to people who are in need. Now, could you please tell me about your situation? मेरी कमज़ोर अंग्रेज़ी के कारण कोई भी नौकरी पाना मुश्किल है, इसलिए मेरी पत्नी ही एकमात्र कमाने वाली है। वह एक सुपरमार्केट में सेल्स वुमन का काम करती थी। You, sa- you said she used to work there. What happened? मेरी पत्नी का उसके प्रबंधक के साथ झगड़ा हो गया और गुस्से में आकर उसने नौकरी छोड़ दी। तब से ही पुराने प्रबंधक से संदर्भ पत्र न मिलने की वजह से उसे कोई अच्छी नौकरी नहीं मिल रही है। What do you mean by a good job? Do you have specific requirements regarding salary, position, or other matters? शारीरिक तौर पर ठीक ना होने की वजह से वो शरीर से मेहनत वाला काम नहीं कर सकती। अच्छी तनख्वाह जरूरी है क्योंकि उसको परिवार पालना है। Mr. Shankar, I understand your situation. However, we do encourage people to rely on their own means to get re-employed. मैं और मेरी पत्नी दोनों ही जल्द से नौकरी पाना चाहते हैं। फिलहाल मैं कभी-कभी काम करता हूँ, परंतु मेरी आय परिवार के लिए पूरी नहीं पड़ती। Centrelink does offer help to people who experience financial hardship. However, the decision will be made after performing an assessment. We also help people in finding jobs. बहुत अच्छा। मैं अगली बार अपनी पत्नी के साथ आऊँगा ताकि हम दोनों को मदद मिल सके। धन्यवाद। So guys, this was another short dialogue about Centrelink payment and what Centrelink offers to the people who come to Australia as an immigrant. So I hope you liked the content over here and it will be a good practice material for you. So please like the content or provide your feedback in the comment section so that I can get to know what else are you looking for. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you feel that the content is relevant to your NAATI exam practice. And please subscribe and please let others also know about the channel, especially the people who are preparing for the NAATI exam, as they can also get the same content which you are currently practicing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day and all the very best for your exam. Do let me know your scores in the or your success stories in the comment section. It is really motivating for me to read that. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.